Hello, it's Radiav, and today I'm gonna do a review and a time-lapse build of Metal Beards Duo. So this is the front of the set, box actually. It is really cool, and I'm still waiting to build this. This is the back, of course. Just pause the video if you want to see it clear and good. Here you've got how it calls Frank the Foreman and RoboSwat, and also a Skeletron. So like, here's Metalbeard from the Lego Movie and the Micromanager, and let's see. So let's start the time-lapse build. I've done building it. So let's look first at this minifigure, Fred the Foreman. He's a very cool guy. He's one of the construction workers. So that is the front. And well, that's the back. So next up we have RoboSwat. I say it. He is very cool. Take his helmet off. Looks like this. And that is how he looks in the front. He has this really nice gun that you can attach something in the top, and in the back you have only this like microphone that I think is very cool. So that is RoboSwat. And let's look at my favorite minifig in this set. This is the Skeletron. So this is the front. He has like the red eyes and a very cool mouth, and he's like a skeleton. And that's the back. Okay, let's go on to the set. Ready? Put them here. Okay. We'll start from the Micromanager. So here he is. And I think he is really cool. For all these eyes and things. And this cool hands that you can adjust like this. And you can also adjust all these. Here. So the legs They're pretty simple, but they look very cool, and I like them. Here you have like this. And this that you can like adjust, and at the bottom you can adjust here, here, and here. Also the legs, see this? Wait, you can move it backwards. So now like the leg is like this. And also on the other side. Here is the back. And the sides are the same actually. So you can grab this, get it out, and you have a flick 5. You also have it on the other side. Here, Micromanager has now 2 flick 5s that are very simple. Like you just shoot them, you know. Oh, wait. Like this. Wait. Well, I don't know if the camera saw it, but anyway, it shoots very good. So we'll go on to Metalbeard, that has a lot of details. So here the leg. Only this part is very detailed. See this? Get it around. Here you have this hook. Just like simply adjust. And here, these are the back of the legs. This is the side of this leg, and it is very detailed with all these gold things. We have this gun here, and that's the front and the side of this leg. So, I don't know who if you saw the movie, but Metalbeard is a little funny, is my opinion. The most part that I like in this set is like this shark that can open and close his mouth. Oh, I forgot to show you something in Micromanager card. So, see this? You can just grab it and open. And then here you have this nice little space that you can grab a minifig, just put him in. So let's get it back. Can also adjust these. His face is really cool. Also this chest you can open, get out, and you have here a bone and a sausage, like the parts that are still like of his body, real body, that he still have. Put them back. Okay. Here is this arm. Whoa. Whoa. It's really hard to get him up easily. Also, here I'll show you this. You can take it all the way around if you want to, but I don't really like this part. Like you can take it all the way around because it's like hard to play when you want to. So I have this and this. Also have this that was cool and funny because like it's supposed to be a doll one. So that's the front of him. This is the back. With a sword. I'll just show you in a minute. But you have this rule on this arm that you can grab one of these, one of these, and you can put it in one of these two cannons. When you put them in, you can just grab this out and it shoots. So I'll take off this and I'll show you. You have this sword that you can just put it really, that you can put it in his hand. But this is Metalbeard's Duel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.